This land was once nothing but bare soil. No trees, no fruit, just empty ground. But today, it produces one of the world's most powerful and expensive fruits. The king of fruits, durian. Massive, spiky fruits hanging from towering trees, grown through years of patience, precision, and expert farming. In this video, we take you deep inside a giant durian plantation to show the complete process from raw land preparation to harvesting fully mature durians. Welcome to your channel name, where we explore supersized fruits, modern farming, and satisfying harvest journeys. So if you enjoy agricultural documentaries and unbelievable fruit-growing processes, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications, because this is a journey you don't want to miss. A giant durian plantation begins with choosing the right land. Durian trees are extremely sensitive to soil conditions, so farmers carefully select areas with deep, fertile, and well-drained soil. The land must not flood easily, as standing water can destroy durian roots. Before planting anything, the entire field is cleared of weeds, stones, and old vegetation. Heavy machinery is often used to level the land and create gentle slopes that help rainwater flow naturally. Soil testing is a critical step at this stage. Farmers analyze pH levels, nutrient content, and organic matter. If the soil is too acidic or poor in nutrients, it is corrected using lime, compost, and natural fertilizers. Large amounts of organic material are mixed into the soil to improve structure and moisture retention. Drainage canals are dug across the plantation to prevent waterlogging during heavy rains. This preparation phase may take months, but it creates the foundation for healthy durian trees that can produce fruit for decades. Without perfect soil preparation, even the best saplings cannot grow into giant fruit-bearing trees. Once the land is ready, farmers move on to planting durian saplings. Only high-quality grafted plants are selected to ensure consistent growth, disease resistance, and premium fruit quality. These saplings are usually grown in nurseries for months or years before reaching the plantation. Each planting hole is carefully measured and filled with enriched soil to give young roots an immediate nutrient boost. Spacing is extremely important in a giant durian plantation. Trees are planted several meters apart to allow full sunlight penetration, proper airflow, and strong root expansion. If trees are planted too close together, they compete for nutrients and produce smaller fruits. After planting, the saplings are firmly supported with stakes to protect them from strong winds. Protective covers or shade nets are sometimes installed to shield young plants from intense sunlight and pests. In the early months, growth appears slow above ground, but underground, the roots are expanding rapidly. Farmers inspect each tree regularly, replacing weak plants and adjusting soil moisture. This stage demands patience because durian trees take several years before producing fruit. During the first few years, durian trees focus on vegetative growth rather than fruit production. This stage is crucial for developing strong trunks, deep roots, and balanced branches. Farmers water the trees carefully, ensuring the soil stays moist but never flooded. Tree training begins early. Farmers prune excess shoots and guide the growth pattern to form a strong structure. This is especially important because mature durian fruits are very heavy and weak branches can easily snap under their weight. Fertilizers rich in nitrogen are applied during this phase to encourage leaf and branch development. Healthy leaves are essential because they act as energy factories for the tree. Farmers also monitor for pests and diseases, using eco-friendly treatments and integrated pest management methods. This early care period may last 3 to 5 years, and although there is no harvest yet, every action taken now directly affects the size, quality, and lifespan of future durian production. Welcome back to our durian farming journey. In this next chapter, we explore the crucial stages of water management, flowering, and the final fruit maturation. Water management plays a vital role in large-scale durian farming. Durian trees need consistent moisture, especially in tropical climates, but they are extremely sensitive to excess water. Modern plantations use drip irrigation systems that deliver water directly to the root zone. This method conserves water while ensuring each tree receives the exact amount it needs. Along with irrigation, nutrient management is carefully planned. Farmers follow a strict fertilization schedule based on the tree's growth stage. Organic compost improves soil health, while mineral fertilizers provide essential elements like potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. Potassium is especially important for fruit development and size. Fertilizers are applied in controlled amounts to avoid nutrient burn or weak growth. Soil moisture and leaf color are closely monitored to detect deficiencies early. This precision approach allows trees to grow steadily and prepares them for heavy flowering and fruiting cycles. In giant durian plantations, proper irrigation and nutrition are the hidden secrets behind producing massive, high-quality fruits year after year. After several years of careful growth, the durian trees finally begin to flower. Large, pale-colored blossoms appear directly on the branches and trunk, creating a stunning visual transformation across the plantation. Flowering usually occurs during specific seasons and is closely tied to climate conditions. Pollination mostly happens at night, assisted by insects, moths, and bats. These natural pollinators play a critical role in successful fruit development. Farmers closely observe flowering intensity because not every flower should become a fruit. Too many fruits can weaken the tree and reduce overall quality. During this stage, water and fertilizer levels are adjusted to support healthy pollination. Stress from drought or excess rain can cause flowers to drop prematurely. Farmers sometimes thin flowers manually to control future fruit load. Successful pollination marks the beginning of fruit formation and determines the potential size, shape, and market value of each durian. This stage is both delicate and exciting, as it signals that harvest season is slowly approaching. Once pollination is complete, small durian fruits begin to form. At this stage, farmers carefully monitor every tree. Not all fruits are allowed to grow. To produce giant, premium-quality durians, excess fruits are removed early. This process, known as fruit thinning, ensures that the remaining fruits receive maximum nutrients and energy. Each developing durian is inspected for shape, health, and position on the branch. Weak or poorly formed fruits are removed. Farmers also strengthen branches using ropes or supports to prevent breakage under the increasing weight. As weeks pass, the fruits grow rapidly, developing thick shells and sharp spikes. Nutrient application shifts toward potassium-rich fertilizers to enhance size, sweetness, and texture. Irrigation is kept stable to avoid cracking or uneven growth. This stage requires constant attention because mistakes can reduce fruit size or quality. When done correctly, the plantation produces fewer fruits, but each one is massive, valuable, and visually impressive. We've reached the final stage of our journey. Now we witness the art of determining ripeness and the moment we've all been waiting for, the harvest. As the durians mature, the plantation enters its most critical phase. The fruits gain weight, the shell hardens, and the signature aroma slowly develops inside. Farmers inspect the fruits daily, checking color changes, spike hardness, and sound when tapped. These traditional techniques help determine ripeness. During maturation, irrigation is slightly reduced to concentrate flavor and prevent watery pulp. Fertilizer use is also minimized to avoid affecting taste. This stage can last several months, and timing is everything. Harvesting too early results in bland flavor, while harvesting too late risks fruit drop and damage. Experienced farmers rely on years of knowledge to decide the perfect harvest window. The goal is to produce durians with rich aroma, creamy texture, and intense flavor, qualities that define the king of fruits. This patience is what separates average durians from truly giant, premium-grade harvests. Thank you for watching this journey from soil to harvest. Don't forget to subscribe for more agricultural adventures. Harvest season is the most rewarding moment in a giant durian plantation. Workers carefully collect mature fruits, either by cutting them from branches or gathering those that naturally fall. Due to their heavy weight and sharp spikes, safety is essential during harvesting. Each durian is inspected for size, shape, and quality before being sorted. Premium fruits are prepared for export, while others are sold locally. Cleaning, grading, and packing are done with care to preserve freshness and aroma. Some plantations use cold storage to extend shelf life. After harvest, trees are given time to recover with proper watering and nutrients, preparing them for the next cycle. From bare soil to giant spiky fruit, The entire process takes years of dedication. This final stage completes the incredible journey of growing the king of fruits, a symbol of patience, precision, and agricultural mastery. From empty land and bare soil to towering trees heavy with massive spiky fruit, this is the extraordinary journey of durian farming. Every stage, from soil preparation to careful harvesting, requires years of patience, skill, and dedication. Behind every giant durian is a farmer who understands the land, respects nature, and waits for the perfect moment. This is why durian is not just a fruit, but truly the king of fruits. If you enjoyed this deep look inside a giant durian plantation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who loves farming, rare fruits, and satisfying harvests. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next incredible farm journey.